Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we are going to be looking at a set number 7345 from LEGO Creator, and it was released in 2012. And yet again, my screen is going yellow for some reason that I do not know of. But anyway, we're not going to matter about that. This is build 2, which is the medium difficulty, I believe. Uses the middle amount of pieces. And so we're just going to get down to it. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to go on a high and flying adventure with this build from this set, which is this helicopter over here. Well, I could say a sort of a seaplane, which is quite decently large, as some builds are decently large, and then I need to move the camera out to see a little bit better. Okay, there we go. So the dimensions is approximately 25 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide. Or you could say 25 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide this way if you want to. So first things first, this is a sort of seaplane because it has these floats over here on the sides which hinge downwards just like so it can pretend to land on water. We've also got these quite large propellers made out of bricks and other sort of special pieces in this 3-in-1 set. They spin pretty freely. Now, having a look at the color scheme, we've got quite a bit of orange with some white and black accenting as well. Looking down here at the base of this, we have a few little hidden wheels over here. These are just some 2 wheels on a special attachment which just fit underneath there, that when you put the base down, it's sort of rolling on those wheels there. So first things first, the front here has a little stubby little nose over here done with this black dish at the front and some extra slope piecings there. Uses sort of the hull designed pieces around here to create a decent looking plain fuselage. Over here as well we have some wedge style, some triangular style pieces here. We have the dark tinted windscreen used over here for the cockpit. If we have a look underneath here, let me see if I can get that. If we have a look underneath here, we can see some extra pieces used here, these dark tinted bricks. Translucent to be the rest of the windows of this plane. Now, as for the wings over here with the little propellers over here, some yellow and black design at the front. We've also got these round sort of wheel style pieces done here to make this spin even faster. Over here we have the sort of engine design, so we've got some orange slopes, some grills, and that brings us to the wings over here, which, as said before, they stretch out 25 centimeters with these little floats which just hinge like this. They're built facing upwards, and then you can just tilt them back when it's in flight mode. The wings themselves are decorated quite well for a 3-in-1 set. We even have this sort of wing icon over here with these 2 little grey wedge pieces and this red tile in the middle. We've got a bit of stud space around here. So for instance, we can take our diver over here. We can stick him on there and he can be wing walking. And moving around to the back of the plane, we have some more sloping pieces as essentials. Does pretty well for a model of this size. Some extra tiles here for the back end of the plane. Which is it is the tail, I believe, what they call at the back of the plane. Also works as a little carry handle, and that brings us to the rear little guide wings at the back. Well, they might be guide wings, but anyway, we've got a little fin over here made out of these sloping pieces, a little dark slope piece there as well as a little stud here too, and we have some more white wedge pieces too. So off he goes, and that is the end of our video. So, I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy building!